Welcome to the channel. This is probably looking a little weird, but sometimes there's a little more to these YouTube problems than just doing your repairs, making your videos, remembering to put your camera on, editing, all that stuff. But this problem has shut our channel down for a little bit because this is the main computer that does all the editing and everything that we do, as well as access to our YouTube account, actually. So I take no credit for this diagnosis, but I will tell you, this is the first time I've even taken the case apart on a computer. But a couple of weeks ago, we had a transformer near us blow, and ever since then, the computer kept trying to restart and shut down, restart, shut down, and I was lucky enough to even get the last video up. So if you haven't heard from us for a bit, this is why, because I've been waiting for this to come in, which is the power supply. I give full props to my brother-in-law. Normally I would just drop this off to Scott and he'd look after it, but they've gone camping, and he said he's pretty sure this is the problem. So I just said, do you think I can change it? He says, I don't see why not. So if you're watching this video, this was successful. So I'm gonna give this an attempt anyways to get this replaced. There's an awful lot of plugs, and I just got to pay attention to where they all go. And we'll see if I can pull this off, because honestly, I've never even done this before. This doesn't look easy. Help! Not many tips I can offer, but I couldn't get in to clean all the dust off everything, and I just taped these straws to it, and it actually seems to give me access to a little more. Because I was warned about dust. All right. So if you're watching this video, that means that this worked. I will talk to you real soon. Thanks for watching.